Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset AutoCAD interface to default settings using the easy method. This is a great way to wash away a messy screen layout on your setup session so your digital drawing board looks brand new and acts perfectly clean. Let's get into it. Step 1. Save a safety copy of your current layout first. The first step is to open your main application list and export your current layout details into a backup file, just in case you want to bring your personal setup back later. Click on your main Start menu button on your taskbar, scroll down through your files to find your drawing software folder, click the tool marked Export AutoCAD Settings, and click the Save option. Pick a clear spot on your computer, like your desktop folder, give the safety file a simple name, and hit the Save button to let the system pack up your configurations. This is the start of everything, because a factory reset will completely wipe out every custom toolbar and shortcut you have built over time. You have to save this safety copy so you don't accidentally lose any unique layouts permanently. Without this step, if you change your mind later, you would have to rebuild your personal workspace boxes entirely by hand. Step 2. Close down the drawing application completely. Next, you need to use your mouse pointer to shut down the main drawing software so that none of its internal files are locked or running in the background. Move your pointer to the top right corner of your active drawing window, click the large X button, or click the main menu logo and select the Exit option. Look down at your bottom taskbar strip to ensure the program icon is fully closed and does not have a line underneath it. This is a smart move because your computer cannot rewrite or erase configuration files while the main software is actively running on your screen monitor. By completely closing out the application, you give the system full permission to access and modify the deep layout folders. It ensures the cleaning tools can do their job without triggering a file error or system freeze. Now you need to head back into your main Windows application list and trigger the specialized automated tool that strips away your modified preferences. Click your Windows Start button again, open up your drawing programs folder list, find the specific icon that says Reset Settings to Default, and click on it once with your mouse. Wait for a small warning box to pop up on your screen asking you to confirm that you truly want to wipe your application layout. This is the most important part because this tool is built specifically to clear out corrupted screen files without you having to delete the entire program from your machine. By clicking this factory reset link, you tell the program's engine to drop your broken layouts and pull out a fresh copy of the factory settings. It is the key step to getting the right output because it rolls back every display mistake instantly. And that's it. To reset AutoCAD interface to default settings, you must first use the Export tool to save a safety copy of your personal layouts to your desktop. Then you close your drawing program completely so no background files are running. Next, you look inside your Start menu folder and click the Reset Settings to Default utility to begin the wipe. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.